guys. Sorry I haven't uploaded recently. I'm just going to be like PewDiePie now. I'm just gonna do random stuff. I'm going to make a video later today with my friend here. Drum roll, please. Say drum roll. No. Look at his hair.
Hi.
He's Justin Bieber. Look at that Justin Bieber face. Look at it.
No,
Look, he's Justin.
Looks like Justin Bieber.
No, you're Justin Bieber.
No,
You can't say anyone else's name. Okay, look. Justin Bieber. Justin Bieber drink. Justin Bieber. Justin Bieber drink. Look. They're really similar. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna make another YouTube video. I just have to go home, find a recording software, and just upload videos. I'm just gonna upload 20 videos. So we're gonna do a video where we're pretending we're squeakers. Well, when I play video games, I am one, but still, I'm gonna be a real life girl squeaker. We're gonna pretend we're sisters, even though he's my friend.
Try to do your voices right now.
Oh, okay, Mommy.
I'm still going to think of one.
And we're gonna pretend we're 5 years old. Okay, so ready? Do your interpretation. Do it. Do it. Just. Oh, this is not a sponsored ad. This is not a sponsored video. Or is it? What the heck?
That's my voice.
What? You just burped on your phone, Mom.
Gross.
Okay, this is gonna be my voice. Hi! I'm just telling you, my mom, in the middle, she's gonna say we have to get off, and we're gonna say, shut up, Mom! But she said it's okay, right?
Right.
Yeah.
Mommy?
Yes.
Look.
It's okay.
So she says it's okay. So let's party. I'm just shaking. I'm shaking. Sponsored video.
Not sponsored.
Definitely is not sponsored. Okay, it's not sponsored. I have 25 subscribers. I'll see you all later. I'm gonna start uploading more. I'm just gonna do weird, crazy videos like PewDiePie. Goodbye. Bye. Say bye.
Bye.
Come on, do it real. Come on, do the Justin Bieber. Do Justin Bieber. Don't drink all the Justin Bieber drink. Don't do it. Just put it down. Okay, do the Justin Bieber. Don't burp.
Bye.